Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Magic to do a room tour of a Category 5B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Verandah. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a decent amount of space for everyone.
Now these are all located on deck 6 or 7 if you're looking for a 5B stateroom. This is a really fun one though because there are some in-room celebrations here that were purchased ahead of time and we can't wait to show you the room.
Let's go check it out.
As we come into the room here, over on the left, we have a couple closets. It is a sliding closet door. You can see we have the closet rod with some clothes hangers. You also have the ladder for the pull down upper berth that your stateroom host can assist with. Our life jackets are up there in the top of the closet, and there is also a safe down here in the bottom. The other half of the closet just has some additional storage space. There's not anything different over there, just the closet rod and hangers and some space for storing your luggage. Over to the right of the closet, there's some drawers. We also have the countertop here, some glasses for water, and then a picture of Walt and Lillian on a cruise ship with a little plush Mickey back in 1934. One of my personal favorite pictures of Walt and Lillian. And then our bathroom layout here is a split bathroom layout. So the first half over here has the toilet and also has just a single vanity in here. So you've got some storage down below the sink. You also have the countertop and a little shelf right there below the mirror. You have some hand soap. You do have a hair dryer mounted here on the wall in addition to the one that's in the room in the drawer, and you have some storage in the corner with those little shelves. The other half of the bathroom is where you'll find your tub. It's a little bit of a different layout than the family staterooms. The tub's a little bit different in there, but you do also have a single vanity in here with some storage down below, countertop space. You have the little shelf right there with some lotion and the washcloths and things. Your shower does have a removable shower head in here, and you have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then we actually have little Mickeys on the shower curtain. You can kind of see them right there. As we head into the room, you may have noticed when we first came in, there's a lot going on in here because this is the in-room celebration for birthdays. We've got several different things going on in this room. We have the Mickey Mouse birthday celebration with the banners hanging from the ceiling. You've got lots of little pieces here. You can see that they're hanging from these little circles. Those are actually magnets. So if you don't purchase the in-room celebration, you can actually bring your own or make your own using magnets to hang anything you want from the ceiling. Now across from the bed, we have some drawers for storage as well as a cabinet down below there. We have a little picture from Pirates of the Caribbean over at Disneyland, one of the concept sketches for that. And then of course our bed is a queen size bed. We have a bed runner down at the bottom with some nautical elements on it. There is storage down underneath the bed for luggage. And then on each side of the bed, we have a small little nightstand table. This side has the phone. And above the phone, there is one wall outlet that you can use if you need to charge your devices. There's also a lamp there that has some little Mickeys cut out of the bottom of the lamp. And then the different Disney parks and Disney cruise ships represented on the map all the way around the lamp. On the other side of the bed, we have another little nightstand. This one does not have a phone on it, but you do have two outlets there, and then of course that drawer for storage and another one of those lamps. You can divide the room in half using that curtain there. It does a really good job blocking out the light from this half of the room. You can see we also have some in-room celebration pieces over here with the kids' giant birthday tie they can wear. It's got a little elastic cord that you can wear around their neck. You have a little storage box there, and then we have the giant beach towel over here, in addition to the Marvel Day at Sea exclusive blanket and pillow set, and all of that can be ordered ahead of time on the Disney Cruise Line website. Now this couch does pull down into a twin-size bed, and there is an upper berth here in the ceiling that the stateroom host will pull down for you if you need that, with another twin-size bed there. Up on the wall, we have some music from a Disney movie. This one's Pete's Dragon with Candle on the Water. They have different songs in different rooms, and that's the one that happens to be in here. Across from the couch, we have our dresser. Right in this cabinet over here is where you're going to find your mini fridge. It is a pretty small mini fridge, and there is no freezer section. Just be aware of that. And then these drawers to the right of the mini fridge is where you will find your hair dryer that I mentioned earlier. And then we have the TV here that is on a little swivel, so you can pull it out and point it towards the bed if you'd like. You've got some more drawers over on the right hand side, and the one here in the middle is where you'll find the little door hanger for ordering breakfast in the morning. And then the mirror, they did also put a little birthday celebration window cling on the mirror as well. Totally decked out the room here with the in-room celebrations. You've got the lights there on each side of the mirror, and they have little Mickeys cut out on them. And then this room, as we mentioned earlier, does have the veranda, so we'll head outside and check out the veranda. We have a couple chairs out here and a small table, and you can see our balcony is completely unobstructed. You've got the plexiglass there in between the white bars, so you can sit out here on the chairs and enjoy the view. And if you happen to have parties traveling together, they can actually open up part of that wall in between the verandas, and you'll be able to have your verandas connected to the room next to you. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 5B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have. We're happy to answer those.
And while you're down there, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for even more tours of the Disney cruise ships and Disney resorts around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.